Did you know that choosing the right candle can transform the entire vibe of your room? Let's dive into some expert tips and tricks for selecting the best seasonal candles. For fall, opt for the cozy scent of pumpkin spice. Look for candles with notes of cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. In winter, choose candles with pine and crisp winter air scents. These scents mimic a fresh-cut Christmas tree, perfect for the holiday season. For spring, go for fresh linen and blooming flower scents. These fragrances bring the essence of a morning breeze and new beginnings into your home. In summer, tropical coconut and a splash of sea salt are ideal. These scents will make you feel like you're on a beach getaway. Don't stick to one scent all year. Rotate your candles with the seasons. Transform your space and let your senses travel with the changing seasons. Light up your life with the perfect seasonal scents today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.